So today I am testing out Goldenrod because I have never put Goldenrod in any of my tea blends before. This is my first year harvesting it and it's everywhere. And it's interesting to note that sometimes people confuse Goldenrod with ragweed. But if you go on Google, Goldenrod versus ragweed, you're gonna see really quickly that they definitely look different. So we have lots of Goldenrod around here, so check this out. Look at the beautiful yellow color that it gives off. So this would also actually be really good for dyeing materials, I'm sure. So I'm gonna let that simmer for a little bit longer, and in the meantime I'll show you what the plant looks like. Here's the plant upside down. Did that work? So this is, oh, you can see my feet down below. So this is my Bible, the Boreal Herbal Wild Food and Medicine Plants of the North by Beverly Gray, and I suggest to everybody that you get this. It's an award-winning national bestseller, and it was Nick DeFrancesco that actually suggested this book once, and he was not wrong. So we're going to look at it and see what it says about Goldenrod. This book has a herbal usage chart, which is really awesome. So you can see all of the different plants up along the top here. So let's go to Goldenrod, and I'm just going to take a couple of envelopes. We're going to go through this chart. So Goldenrod is good for burns and candida, which is like a yeast infection, coughs, cystitis, which is a urinary infection, depression, diuretic. Let's go to the next page. It's good for fatigue, flatulence. So if you're farty, does this make you more farty or does it make you less farty? Probably less farty. Hair rinse. You could use it as a hair rinse. Oh, that's interesting, like a hair tonic. Indigestion, inflammation. Oh wait, am I on the right one? Not indigestion. Infection, inflammation, insect bites and stings. Okay, so basically the point is that it goes on and on and on with all of its amazing properties. Just one more I'll go through: kidney stones, laryngitis, mouth health, muscle pain and inflammation, pain relief. It's good stuff. Okay, so let's give this a try. I'm gonna show you what it looks like inside. Beautiful color to it. Gorgeous color, actually. Yeah, I think this would be really good for dyeing and stuff. The smell to it is really interesting because it's a flower, and it's from the sunflower family and the aster family. It doesn't smell like a flower. It smells like a mushroom. And that's really boggling my mind. So I'm very curious to see if it's gonna taste like a mushroom, but I don't want to put that thought in my head. So I've got it in my 105 mug because it's a beautiful time of year to be down the 105 because the trees are starting to change color. I don't know how to define this. It's not sweet like a flower, but it's not bitter. I can't put it into a flavor category. It really does taste like a mushroom, and I'm trying not to say that, but it's true, it does. It tastes mushroomy, and it's not because the flower is moldy or anything like that. It just doesn't have a sweetness to it, but it's delicious. It's not a weird flavor. So if you're used to drinking things like chaga or different types of conchs as teas, This would be like a mild version of that. And that's kind of flooring me because it's a flower. What the heck? So, it's good. It's really good. But I'm confused by not being able to compare it to anything for you except to say that it's like a mushroom. So I will put this into my tea blend that I'm going to be making. It will have this in it because it has incredible medicinal qualities to it, as you saw. And it's delicious and it's colorful, and it's going to be mixed with a little bit of Labrador tea and some purple clover, some yarrow, and whatever else I harvested that's in my apothecary shelf. So once I have that blend ready to go, I'll make sure to let you know, and we'll have some tea available for you. Okay? Thanks. Bye.